Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to focus on the word harass. It's a term that relates to unwanted, repeated, and often aggressive behavior. Let's get started. Meaning. Harass is a verb that refers to the act of persistently and aggressively bothering, tormenting, or intimidating someone or something. It involves unwanted and often harmful actions or behavior that cause distress, discomfort, or fear. Pronunciation. Pronounce harass as hers, with the emphasis on the first syllable, har. Use in a sentence. 1. She reported her coworker's actions to HR, as she felt he was harassing her. 2. Online harassment has become a significant concern in the digital age. Synonyms. Synonyms for harass include bully, intimidate, persecute, torment, or victimize. Conclusion. Harass is a word that underscores the importance of treating others with respect and kindness, rather than subjecting them to distressing or harmful actions. It's a reminder to promote a safe and supportive environment for everyone. Thanks for joining us, and may your actions always be guided by empathy and fairness, avoiding any form of harassment.